Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the brushes and servicing the clutch on your KitchenAid mixer. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a clean cloth for internal cleaning. First, unplug your KitchenAid mixer to ensure safety. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the mixer. Carefully lift the top section away from the base, exposing the internal components. Now, locate the brushes. These are typically situated near the motor. Gently pull them out using your pliers. Inspect the brushes for wear. If they are worn down, it's time to replace them. When inserting the new brushes, ensure they fit snugly into their slots. While you have the mixer open, it's a good opportunity to clean the internal parts. Use a clean cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the efficiency of your mixer. Next, we will service the clutch. Locate the clutch assembly, which is usually found near the motor. Check for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice any issues, it may be necessary to replace the clutch. To do this, remove the retaining screws and gently lift the clutch out. If you're unsure about any of these steps, or if this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you determine the best course of action for your mixer. Once you have serviced the clutch, reassemble the mixer by carefully placing the top section back onto the base. Ensure all screws are tightened securely. Finally, plug in your mixer and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We also provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your mixer repaired without the hassle of calls or travel. Plus, we offer a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. By following these steps, you can ensure your KitchenAid mixer remains in top condition, ready for all your baking needs. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.